Hi guys, I'm going to try to do a few short videos from the Benchmark Review study guide for the third 9 weeks. I'm going to hit number systems first, so I'm going to try to hit my number system 1 stuff, my number system 2s, my number system 3s. Depending how long the video gets, I might just do 3 videos for this, or I might do 1 video. I don't know yet. Also, I realize that some of my questions have got cut off at the top, so it's hard to see what's going on. Question 1 is saying, which numerical expression is illustrated on the number line shown? Now on the number line, you'll notice there's one arrow that goes from 0 to -6, and another one that goes from -6 to -3. So the first thing that's happened is I've moved 6 to the left. And to move left, either we subtract a positive, or you just add a negative number. So if I go 6 to the left, well, that starts with a -6. I can roll these guys out because I've gone 6 to the left, not 3 to the left. Okay? Now after going 3 to the left, or 6 to the left, sorry, I go 1, 2, 3 to the right from there. If you guys notice where the arrows are, this arrow's pointing to the left, this one's pointing to the right. To go to the right, either I'm going to add a positive number, or I'm going to subtract a negative number. So here's -6 minus a positive number 3. That would be illustrated by going from here left 3 more. I got -6 minus -3. Well, that means I'm going to go 3 to the right, and that is exactly what's happened. Let me circle that. -3 minus -3, well, that would be illustrated by one arrow going from, I think it focused on the reflection, from 0 backwards 3, minus -3 would take it forward 3 more from there. -3 plus 6 would go backwards 3, and then I go forward 6 and end up at 3. Something you could also do is you could put these in your calculator. If you follow your arrows, this one ends where this one starts, so this is the second one, that's the first one. Find the very ending point. Usually they start at 0 too, if you want to be super careful. You start at 0 and then you follow the arrows. This one ends at -3. -6 minus -3 is -3. -6 minus 3 is -9. That wouldn't be it. -3 minus -3 is 0. -3 plus 6 is +3. So you could also plug them into a calculator and test them. That's that guy. Let's take a look at number 33 now. Sorry, we're going to jump around a bit. I'm trying to be consistent with the same kinds of problems so you guys get practice. Feel free to pause at any time and try one of these on your own and see if you get the same answer I do. Alright, we're looking for a number line that represents -3 plus -2. So -3, if we're starting with -3, this should make a line from 0 to the left 3. And plus a negative number should go left 2 more. Okay, so from 0 we're going to go left 3. Oh, this one goes right 3. That one's out. This is 3 minus 2, or 3 plus -2. Nope. This one goes left 3. That's a good start. And plus a -2, that means it goes left 2 more. Oh, no, that one goes right 2. So this would be either -3 plus 2 or -3 minus -2. Nope. Here we go, right 3 to start. That one's out. That'd be 3 plus 2 or 3 minus -2. This guy here is -3, good. Minus 2, or we could say plus -2. So that's it, B. Let's take a look at 43. 43 says, at 1 o'clock p.m. the temperature in Arizona was 87 degrees. 6 hours earlier the temperature was 20 degrees cooler. What was the temperature at 7 o'clock in the morning? So it says 6 hours earlier, and then it references 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is 6 hours earlier than 1 p.m. So we were at 87 in the afternoon, it was 20 degrees cooler. So it's gone, it's got to go down 20 degrees to match up to what it was before. And you get 67 degrees. You can double check by saying, okay, 67, that's 20 degrees cooler than 87? Yep, indeed it is. And you can think about it as well with, like, if you draw a vertical number line thermometer, 87, I go down 20 degrees, I'd be at 67. Let's see number 60, number 60. Oh, number 60 is one that's been cut off at the top. So let me just make sure I know what number 60 says, or supposed to say, and we can go forward. Which numerical, oh my, I've got to make this full page so I can see it, hold on, my computer. We need to know what numerical expression is represented by this number line. So we've got to see the number line, and it's hard to see because it's been stapled. I'm going to go ahead and rip mine apart so we can see it. Okay. I kind of mangled it, but we're starting at 0. We're going left to -6. So -6 is our good start. Oh, look at that. It's the only one with -6 at the start, -6. And from here, we're going left 2 more. So we can represent that with a -2 or plus a -2. And that's what we've got. C. We got -2. Okay. -8 minus 6 would be going all the way to -8 and then going 6 more to the left. -8 plus 6 would be going all the way to -8 and then 6 to the right. -2 plus 6 would be going left 2 and then 6 to the right. So you can always plug these in your calculator, see which one winds up at -8. You follow the arrows from 0, you go left all the way down to -8 eventually. So you can always plug them into calculators and check. Alright, number 72. Number 72 is right here. Ooh, there's lots of words. Lots of words. Alright, number 72. Which situation results in a net result of 0, a solution of 0? So, solutions of 0, you're trying to look for numbers that will add up to 0, or a situation where you go up and then you come back down again, or down and then up again to the same level. So we've got a building with 8 floors above ground and 1 floor below ground. An elevator moves up 6 floors, then it goes down 1 floor. How far is it from the top floor? Oh, I've gone up 6, I've gone down 1. I can't be at the top floor, and 6 and 1 don't add up to be 0. 6 and -1 don't add up to 0. Vincent works and earns $56 Thursday, another 56 on Friday. Oh man, he's earned both of those. It's not like he's earned and then had to pay out $56. So that's going to be $112. That's not a 0. The record low is -23. Today the temperature is 0. What's the difference? We gotta subtract. -23 minus 0. We're 23 apart. -23 apart. Brittany runs 2 miles north from her house. Then she runs 2 miles south from to her house again. How far is she from her starting place? Well, think about it. I've gone 2 miles north, come 2 miles back south again. I am where I started. So I'm 0 miles away from home. I could talk about physics here, but I'm going to skip that. It is so interesting though. Alright. Here's another one with situations resulting in 0. Record high is 110. Today the temperature is 100. What's the difference between the record high and today's temperature? You subtract those two numbers, you're not getting 0. The building has 6 floors above ground and 2 below. An elevator descends 2 floors below ground, then rises 8 floors. How far was the elevator from the top floor? Let's make sure I don't make a mistake on this one. It says there's 6 floors above and 2 floors below. So here's ground. Here's the bottom floor, -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 floors above. So my elevator starts at 0, has descended 2 floors below, then it rises 8 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way up at the 6th floor. How far am I from the top floor? I'm on the top floor. I am not far at all. I am on it, so I am 0. Kennedy earned $30, then she earns another 30. That's just adding up. She's earning more money. Emily's walking 10 blocks north, then she walks 10 blocks east. Ooh, this one's a tricky one because we've got 10 blocks one way, 10 blocks another way. But remember, if you think about a compass, north and south, east and west. North and south are not different from each other. Or north and south are opposite, but north and east are not. If I go 10 blocks north and then 10 blocks east, well, I'm going to end up using the Pythagorean theorem to find out how far I am, but I am not where I started. I have moved up and over. Over here, we moved north and then back south again, and we wound up at the same spot at our house. But here, it went north then east. So there's a difference. You got to be careful. You got to read your words. If it helps to annotate, please do.